this is Sergio at SmartLED Inc. And today I'm showing you the SmartLED's very exciting Cyber Mesh product. This product is a 25 millimeter and is also available in 16 millimeter full outdoor mesh product, which is used to wrap basically any building with SmartLED's technology. So you can imagine just a fully wrapped building with advertising or architectural lighting or videos. The sky's the limit. Your imagination is the limit for this product. As you can see, it's using SmartLED's our designed LED and substrate for 10,000 nits of brightness. And it's all on a steel wire. What you're seeing here is a section of it. So if I turn it around right here, you'll see that it's steel wire, which is a coated steel wire with very high tensile strength for pretty much any wind load, up to 180 miles per hour wind load. And then this part right here is also a cable for data and power. So basically the SmartLED mesh system, this system can be basically made for any size, absolutely any size. In fact, we've successfully deployed this in a lot of projects in Europe. We have wrapped a whole town clock outside of Stuttgart with Cyber Mesh, and it looks amazing. I'll show you a picture. And then this clock is wrapped, I believe it's about 100, almost nearly 120 or 140 feet high, completely wrapped in SmartLED Cyber Mesh. And with a 25 millimeter, they used it for architectural lighting. Another use that I want to show you and talk to you about is a building that was fully wrapped in more than 600 square meters. Actually, I think it was like 772 square meters of Cyber Mesh. Again, also the 25 millimeter, which looks absolutely amazing. This building is in the Basque country, just very close to Spain. And it's just an absolute marvel, showing our technology to the maximum. They can run graphics on it, full motion video on it, and it just looks amazing. So this product, again, Cyber Mesh, is made for any size. So you could wrap a whole 4-story building with it, or you could wrap a 100-story building with it. The whole system is modular, all of SmartLED's products, and it's absolutely very easy to work with power cons and ether cons going in and out through the whole system. And absolutely no need for any type of data wire, only the steel wires supporting the SmartLED Cyber Mesh modules, and of course the low voltage wire. And also these can be cut basically cut to size. So it's definitely a very exciting product to work with for both architectural reasons, advertising reasons, DOOH, which is digital out of home media reasons, and even for temporary screens, because it's designed for such a high wind load and air basically passes through this SmartLED Cyber Mesh system. So you can be even used for a billboard if you needed to, or maybe other architectural or creative use of using a big size 14 by 48 foot or 20 by 60 foot, large scale size. Even though it has a big pixel pitch, it still looks amazing because the large size allows you to have a very big canvas for your images and pictures and videos. So again, this is SmartLED Cyber Mesh series, and this is 25 millimeter right here. We also have 16 millimeter. And if you have any questions, reach out to us or go to our website at www.smartled.com. Thanks for watching.